Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. The square root of x, we have x to the power of 1 over 2. Later that, we have this one divide this one. So you got like this. So we need to simplify. 4 minus 1 over 2, we have 7 over 2. 2 minus 1 over 2, we have 3 over 2. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of x to the power of n dx, we have x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c in here. Now we can apply the formula for this one, and this one. So about this one, we have 9 over 2. This one we have 5 over 2. This one we have 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.